Where do you see yourself in 5 to 10 years? I honestly don't know. I don't know, and that's okay. You don't know where you see yourself in 5 years, but you do know that you want to be happy, you want to be healthy, and you want to be around people that love you and you love them. Hello my beautiful people with the beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donnea, also known as Nea the Starseed, and I just wanted to give you this valuable piece of advice for those that have been putting so much pressure on yourself to lay out the foundation for your future and create the life you truly desire. So if that sounds like you, then maybe this message is for you. Take what resonates, and if it don't, leave that where you found it, you feel me? And yeah, okay, let me give you a little background information. So I'm currently reading The Secret, the book, you know, the classic. It's a classic of a classic, you feel me? Like, if you have not read The Secret yet, what are you doing? Like, get on that, go read that. They have it on Audible too. I'm actually listening to it on Audible right now. But yeah, so there's this section in The Secret where they say, but life is like driving a car. Especially like, you see how, say you're driving from one side of the country to the next side of the country, like from New York to Cali. That's a lot of hours. That'll take days. That'll take a lot of time, right? But say you're driving at night, it's pouring, raining, like you can't really see in front of you. And life is like that. You're not going to be able to see hundreds of miles in front of you, but you will be able to see the 2 or 3 feet in front of you, you feel me? And at that time while you're driving, that's enough to get you where you need to go. Just take it day by day, take it mile by mile. Just be patient with yourself. You know, you're not going to be able to know why the things are coming up in your life right now, or the roadblocks, or all the things that are happening in your life currently right now. You're not going to be able to know why it's happening, but continue to push through, continue to go on and get to your destination, and just enjoy the journey, enjoy the ride, you know, the ups, the downs, the good and the bad. It's all an experience. But at the end of the day, when you do get to your destination, you'll be able to look back and be like, okay, I remember when I passed by Texas and it was a little hectic over there, you feel me? Like, it was, you feel me? Like, or like I just said Texas because I love Texas, but like, I remember when, you know, I had that really bad breakup, but it honestly changed my life. Like, if I didn't go through that if I didn't experience that experience, I wouldn't have grown. I wouldn't have accumulated the knowledge and the wisdom from it. So, you know, just take everything with a grain of salt. Don't put so much pressure on it. Don't put too much pressure to the point where you're trying to figure out why things are happening in your life the way they're happening, or why they're happening right now. Just see it as what it is. See it as an opportunity to grow, to learn from it, because everything is a life lesson. That's what we're here. We're here to grow. We're here to learn more about ourselves and the world and how we're connected. So yeah, I'm saying all this to say, you don't need to be able to see your life for the next 5 years. You know, that was always a thing in school. Where do you see yourself in 5 to 10 years? I honestly don't know. I don't know, and that's okay. You don't know where you see yourself in 5 years, but you do know that you want to be happy, you want to be healthy, and you want to be around people that love you and you love them, right? So just make that your goal every single day. You don't have to have a solid plan, but you do have to have an idea of what you want to feel. And you knowing what energy you want to be in your future is enough to know what opportunities to jump on and what things to just let pass you by, because, you know, that's not for you, and that's not going to bring you the happiness and the joy and that you expect to have for yourself. So yes, don't be so hard on yourself. Just enjoy the ride, and yeah, just be present in the moment. Just appreciate the things that are happening right now for you, because everything in the end always works out. That's much. Just thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my channel. Continue to watch my videos. If you have any other videos you would like me to talk about, comment them down below and I'll get to that.